tinry ko yung InShot. I have a subscription in InShot. To be honest, guys, I don't recommend this video editor. I really don't care. I have a lot of exchange emails with them. Kasi whenever like I'm using the music background, automatically after I upload the video, I'm getting some copyright. And then I tried to send them an email in regards of my concern, but they said like I need to take permission from the original singer, which why should I do? I pay them. I give my subscription. I paid for it, and then at the end of the day, the InShot will tell me that you need to take permission by the original singer. So why should I do that?